told you that the key to better digestion, an easy spirit, less bloating, and less fatigue is not just what you put on your plate, it's but how you move your body each and every day. This video is going to change how you see exercise forever. It's literally going to shift your reality because it's not just about weight loss and weight gain or just fitness, it's about gut therapy. Hey everybody, if you're new here, my name is Sanaya and I am the Holistic Nutritionist. I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy for whole food nutrition and holistic healing. I am literally here to help you master your gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? Simply eating from earth. We eat from earth, we eat what God gives us, we eat the nuts, the berries, the seeds, we eat the fruits and the vegetables. That is God's gift to us to help us take control of our brain, our mind, our body, and our soul. So today we're going to be talking about movement and why movement is very important to our gut health. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Your gut is the home to over 75% of your immune system, and it is deeply connected to your brain by the gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is a neurological pathway that is in everlasting communication with your gut and your brain together. Like, that is always going on, no matter what you're doing, when you're doing it, or how you're doing it. The gut-brain axis is always working. When your gut is inflamed or stagnant, your mind could feel foggy, anxious, or depressed. Movement gets the microbiome moving. Literally. This is why people say, oh, if you're feeling depressed, if you're feeling fatigued, make sure you get up and start moving. Move that energy around. This is so real, and this is not talked about at all. I did graduate with my bachelor's in exercise physiology, so I do have an extensive background on just exercising in general. One class that we did take was exercise psychology, and we definitely talk about how exercise improves the brain pattern. You might be asking yourself, how does all this play together? Daily movement or exercise stimulates peristalsis. That's a wave-like motion that your intestines need to digest food smoothly and eliminate waste. It also reduces your cortisol, which is often one of the biggest enemies to your gut microbiome. And here's the science to it. Physical activity increases microbial diversity in the gut, which means more gut bacteria, more nutrient absorption, and less inflammation. So the key will be to get at least 30 to 45 minutes. Really, if you're a beginner, 30 to 45 minutes, but at least 60 minutes a day of movement. Movement is the key. Movement is the key. Movement is the key. This is the ultimate key to digestion, along with eating from the garden. Movement in motion, which is literally momentum, is how everything in this universe literally gets moving. If you have motion and keep the momentum, everything will flow in your direction. This is exactly how your gut moves. Just apply it to every part of your life and you will be at your highest self. While using the garden method, we don't just eat whole foods, we live whole lives. We move like the earth moves. Like I said, this can be rebounding on a trampoline, walking, dancing, stretching, Pilates, running, calisthenics. Anything that helps your body feel more like a home. You don't have to hit the gym and lift the heavy weights. This is for muscle building. We're talking about gut therapy. You just have to move with love and attention. So use this video as an invitation to move your body today. Don't move your body as a punishment, but for peace, gut flow, and joy all around your mind. Make it a non-negotiable. Just like brushing your teeth every day. Your gut will thank you, your brain will thank you, and your future self will give you the highest thank you. So if you resonated with this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what's your favorite type of movement that you like to do every day to keep your gut in the flow and just keep your mind at peace. But if you're ready to dive deeper, don't forget to check out the Rewire and Wise Collective. We are enrolling new enrollees for the June 2025 cohort. This is nothing like you've ever seen before, and I promise you don't want to miss it. Be sure to check out the link in the description. Remember, movement will always be medicine to your body, and you will always be the healer. Don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!